Mary McFeely with Terial Magic. We are at SAQA, which is SAQA Conference in San Jose, California. With me here is Chris Sasaki. And we are going to be making these little origami happy coats. And what's great about these happy coats is they make adorable bookmarks. Pretty cute. So anyway, we're going to walk through how to make this. So take some notes. We're going to start with a 6 by 6 inch piece of fabric. The fabric's been treated with Terial Magic, the spray-on fabric stabilizer that makes your fabric like paper. So once it's treated, I cut the 6 by 6 inch piece, and now we're going to be making the happy coat. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the fabric in half. Nope. Yep. Even edges. And then we're going to flip it 90 degrees and do the same thing, but we're going to open it first. So it's just a cross fold. And now this edge here we're going to fold back, just the upper edge, 1/2 inch. That's what makes these little, what I call lapels, probably not lapels, since it's a happy coat.
Other side?
No, now we're going to unfold this and fold this corner down to this edge using that fold line as a guide. And when you get that side, and then we're going to fold this back over, and we're going to flip it over and fold the bottom edge back up to the other, so it matches. These are really simple and they're great for book clubs. Okay, now you're going to, there's a center fold here. You're going to fold this down on both sides. And then this is the surprise ending that I love. You flip it over and these little ears come out like this. And it folds down. And then I like to hit it. And then I like to hit it with a little iron. And that just secures all the folds. And I've been using one of these for a month, and I can just keep using it. It's in your book. It lasts. There you go. Yay. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
All right.